Welcome,
Mr. Goodman.
I have been expecting you. Guards, leave us.
I would like to offer you a job working for me, Mr. Goodman. You will become my right-hand man, and in time, you will become my most trusted ally. Join me, and together, we can rule the galaxy.
I'm looking forward to completing your training. In time, you will call me Master.
What do you think of my job offer? You look a little bit angry. Have I upset you?
The job offer, it didn't upset me. It amused me. Big job at the illustrious Death Star. Chance to play at the palace. Little old me. You have no idea what's going on. You're a teensy tiny man in a teensy weensy little bubble. You know why I didn't take the job? Because it's too small. I don't care about it. It's nothing to me. It's a bacterium. I travel in worlds you can't even imagine. You can't conceive of what I'm capable of. I'm so far beyond you. I'm like a god in human clothing. Lightning bolts shoot from my fingertips.
Good. Your hate has made you powerful.
But what you are speaking of is absolute nonsense. Only those trained with the dark side of the Force have the ability to shoot lightning bolts from their fingertips. You are pathetic for thinking this, Mr. Goodman.
All right, that's it. You asked for it, old man. Saul Goodman.